Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into the character Jigsaw from the movie Saw. So before we hop into the tutorial, you can always subscribe to my channel. You can also hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. Okay, so you guys know that I always start out with my toner first to prep my face and eyebrows, and then I'm going right in with my glue stick while my brows are still a little moist. Moist. Now I'm jumping right into drawing out the features of the character. I wanted to start out with the mouth first, since I feel like that's one of the most prominent features of the character, and then I'm just gonna map out the rest of the features around it. It's easier to start out by tracing out his basic head shape before you get started. This way you really know what area to focus on. I'm going in with this white shade by Wolf FX to use as my base coat, and I just did that take like 100 times to say Wolf FX like fast, so that's my final take. Then I'm taking the red shade from the Mayor on Paradise palette to sloppily draw on his lips and the swirls around his cheeks. Is sloppily a word? Sloppily, yeah. Now going back in with that shadow, I'm just roughly mapping out the placement of his nose and facial lines. Then back in with that red paint, I'm drawing out his creepy eyes and then thickly outlining them with black paint. Here come the pupils and the eye highlight. Now I'm just filling in that negative space around his head with some black paint to make it blend into the background. But first, let's take care of that hair. Got it, back to business. To make sure that this guy looks as realistic as possible, you're going to want to make sure that you add as much shading and highlighting as possible. I just said possible twice. I'm doing the shading with black eyeshadow, and I'm doing the highlighting with white paint to keep it as stark white as possible. Now I'm going in with the Magic Colored Cream Crown by Ben Nye, and this is in the shade Red, just to make those cheeks and lips pop. If you happen to have a white button-down shirt and a black suit lying around, then definitely throw that on, but if not, you can join me and we're just gonna paint one on. Just draw a white triangle as the top of his shirt, then fill in the rest of the shoulders and the chest using black to resemble his suit. Definitely do 2 layers of black paint to prevent a patchy mess like this one. Now you just need to add those crease lines, the buttons, and the collar flaps, and now you've got yourself a suit. If you want to be even more extra like me, you can add a few paper pieces to make his cheekbones stand out a little more, and of course his bow tie, duh. Doing a few detail touch-ups, plugging my nose, getting that lip highlight in there, and you're good to go. And this is the finished look, guys. If you like the way that it turned out, then give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. If you have any Halloween ideas, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, stay creative.